A new dawn for digital artists. Blender 4.4 takes flight. Blender 4.4 has arrived, released on March 18, 2025, a beacon of innovation, free for all to use. Open source and accessible, it welcomes artists on any platform. This is more than just an update, a promise of smoother workflows, a pledge to banish bugs and unleash the raw power of your imagination. Blender 4.4 is a testament to the dedication of developers and the vibrant community that breathes life into this incredible tool. Whether you are a seasoned 3D veteran or a budding artist, Blender 4.4 invites you to explore, experiment, and create like never before. The future of digital artistry is here, and it's bursting with potential. Join us as we journey through the enhanced features, the refined tools, and the boundless possibilities that Blender 4.4 offers. This is more than just software, it's a canvas for your dreams, a toolbox for your visions, a gateway to a world without creative limits. At the core of Blender 4.4 lies a transformation, a seismic shift in performance and stability. The Vulkan backend, once a fledgling feature, has undergone a metamorphosis, emerging as a bedrock of reliability and speed. Picture this: you launch Blender, eager to bring your latest creation to life. Gone are the days of frustrating waits, of precious time slipping away as the software struggles to keep pace with your ideas. The Vulkan backend delivers a 5-fold increase in cold start speed, a surge of responsiveness that will leave you astounded. Warm starts are twice as fast, ensuring a fluid and uninterrupted workflow. Stability is paramount, and Vulkan delivers in spades. The days of crashes and glitches are fading into distant memory. Blender 4.4, powered by Vulkan, is a steadfast companion, a reliable partner in your creative endeavors. This newfound performance extends to a wider range of GPUs, including older models like the NVIDIA GTX 900 series and AMD Radeon 400 series. Work is already underway to implement OpenXR and OpenSubdiv support, further expanding its capabilities. The journey towards a production-ready Vulkan backend is well underway, a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence that defines Blender's development. In the realm of 3D art, rendering is where imagination transforms into reality. Blender 4.4 empowers artists with cutting-edge GPU rendering enhancements, unlocking unparalleled speed and fidelity. Embrace the power of the latest and greatest graphics cards as Blender harnesses their full potential. NVIDIA's RTX 50 series, with its revolutionary Blackwell architecture, finds a welcome home in Blender 4.4. Experience the raw power of real-time ray tracing and AI-powered denoising, breathing life into your creations with unprecedented realism. AMD users rejoice. The Radeon RX 9000 series, armed with the formidable RDNA 4 architecture, joins the fray, delivering exceptional performance and visual fidelity. AMD HipArt, once an experimental feature, is now a cornerstone of Blender's rendering prowess. Enabled by default in the next release, HipArt unlocks the full potential of your AMD graphics card, delivering unparalleled rendering speeds. With each iteration, Blender pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of 3D rendering. Whether you're crafting breathtaking visuals for films, games, or architectural visualizations, Blender 4.4 equips you with the tools to realize your creative vision with unparalleled speed and fidelity. Section 4. Polishing your masterpiece. Compositing magic made easy. Compositing is where the magic truly happens, where individual elements seamlessly blend to form a cohesive whole. Blender 4.4 introduces a suite of compositing improvements designed to streamline your workflow and empower you with unprecedented creative control. At the heart of these enhancements lies a completely rewritten CPU compositor, a testament to the developer's commitment to optimizing every aspect of the Blender experience. Key nodes experience a dramatic performance boost, with speeds increasing by an astounding 2 to 10 times. This translates to a smoother, more responsive compositing workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, bringing your artistic vision to life. The glare node, a staple of any compositor's toolbox, has been completely overhauled. Fine-tune every aspect of your glare effects with precision, creating stunning visuals that add depth and realism to your compositions. Integer sockets, a welcome addition to the compositor, provide even greater control over your node-based workflows. By listening to the needs of artists and incorporating their feedback, the developers have crafted a compositing experience that is both powerful and intuitive, allowing you to focus on what you do best: creating breathtaking visuals. Section 5. Lights, Camera, Action Video Editing gets a boost. Blender has always been a versatile tool, capable of handling far more than just three-dimensional modeling and animation. Blender 4.4 pushes the boundaries with enhancements designed to streamline your video editing workflow. Say hello to crystal clear videos with H.265 codec support. This codec delivers superior compression rates without sacrificing quality. Blender 4.4 now supports 10-bit and 12-bit video rendering. This means greater detail in shadows and highlights, improved color accuracy with BT.709 color space. Colors are displayed accurately across a wide range of devices. Blender 4.4 is a testament to being an all-in-one solution for creative professionals. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or a seasoned editor, Blender 4.4 provides the tools you need. Section 6. Breathing life into dreams. Animation and rigging evolved. Animation is where still images come alive, where characters move and stories unfold. Blender 4.4 introduces powerful new animation and rigging tools designed to streamline your workflow. Slotted actions revolutionize animation data management, offering greater flexibility and improved organization. The new pose library simplifies reusing and sharing your work. Mirrored bone collections save time by streamlining rig symmetrization. Blender 4.4 equips you to push the boundaries of your craft. Section 7. Shaping worlds with precision, modeling and sculpting refined. Modeling and sculpting are the foundational pillars of three-dimensional art, the building blocks from which digital worlds are born. Blender 4.4 introduces a suite of enhancements designed to refine your modeling and sculpting workflow, providing you with greater precision, control, and creative freedom. One of the standout additions is the new plane brush. This versatile tool combines the functionality of the flatten, fill, and scrape brushes, offering a streamlined approach to surface refinement. With enhanced stabilization and range options, the plane brush gives you unprecedented control over your sculpting strokes, allowing you to create smooth, even surfaces with ease. The new Select by Trait feature revolutionizes vertex selection, allowing you to select vertices based on their specific type, such as 3 poles and 5 poles. Topology improvements further enhance the modeling experience, with new tools for joining triangles to quads and other enhancements that make it easier than ever to create clean, efficient geometry. Whether you're a seasoned modeler crafting intricate characters and environments, or a sculpting enthusiast bringing your imagination to life, Blender 4.4 empowers you to realize your creative vision with unparalleled control and flexibility.